All right, let's do a few. You ready? All right, here we go. Actually, I love this. Yes, yes. The blacks are a little dark. Let me go to 1/55,000th of a second. Yep, that's perfect. Actually, let me look at it. I'm gonna look at my histogram here and make sure, yep, I think we're good. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's great. Let's go, Rebel. All right, a few more. Great, perfect. All right, we're good. Let's do you standing up right here. I want the light coming down right on top of you, like kind of in a drastic manner. There was another modifier I wanted to bring, and it was just like my, damn, I forgot what it's called. But I didn't bring it, so we're gonna use this one, and it's gonna be fine. I may change the angle, but I wonder if I can make it look like kind of a spotlight. Take a step back for me, right there. My idea is that I want it to be like really drastic here, really contrasty, dark lights with the composition of the bridge. So I'm thinking if you can do like one of those, like, I don't know how y'all do those, like, you know, poses like that. Yes, that is exactly what I was looking for. Wow, that's crazy. Turn that way though. Do it that way. Cause yeah. Let me see it. Yep, that's it. All right, you ready? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Not too low. Let's get about right. All right, rest. This would be perfect if you had lighter clothes because the black's just kind of getting eaten up. Hold on.
Oh. Well, I vote the white Leo. We can do it.
You do the white Leo? You want to try it?
Yeah.
I love this. I mean, you can see the blacks here, but the light's getting kind of eaten up by it, and I want to be able to see more detail there, which there may be something that I could probably do that I don't know because I'm not perfect. But, you know, we get out here, we just try things and see what works, see what sticks. But I'm gonna get my thingamajig out so she can change. Can you pull that middle out?
Yeah. I've been like watching you.
Here you go.
Into the box.
Good. We're gonna try the same shot. I'm gonna have the light right above her, but that black leotard was eating up a lot of that light, and we're doing really drastic, dark kind of spotlight. I wish I had my reflector dish instead because it could really get like a soft spotlight look, but I forgot it. I think it's in the car actually, but I'm not going to the car because it's Texas and it's 100 degrees in July. Huh? Bring my shutter speed down a little bit. I probably should have done that originally. All right, let's try again. Good, look right at me. There it is. Okay, perfect. So less of a 45-degree angle, maybe like half, so your body facing like right here. We'll try again. Yep. This is fantastic. Hold that. Can you look back towards your, like that side? That's awesome. Your right hand's in your face just a little bit, right there. So, yeah, so I know that's like the pose, but like when I was shooting straight on, it was in front of your face a little bit, and I want your whole head to be, does that work? Or maybe I could just turn you or whatever. Okay. All right, 1, yep, go ahead. Beautiful. That's it. Magic. Let's go. All right, I'm very excited about this. Here you go.
Bomb. Yes.